So, Jesus, I really hate when I start the vlogs like that. I'm gonna leave it as is. Just like any other time when I fuck up on the vlog, I leave it. When I stutter, I leave it. When I can't think of what I'm gonna say next, and I'm just standing there and I'm sitting there confused for like 20 seconds, I leave it. Why? Because it's a vlog and it's real. But yeah, today we are going to do a what do you call it? See, here's a perfect example. Oh yeah. So we're just going to do a vlog about, like, you know, how I make money type thing yet again. So today we're going to be shipping out a package. I'm going to pack it up, put the label on it, drive to FedEx, drop it off, and yeah. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. But I'm gonna get some some head cam footage, some POV stuff like while we're driving and whatnot, because why not? And then we're gonna, yeah, that's pretty much it. I did want to go get the front of the car lowered and the car aligned, but that's not gonna happen today. I'll probably do that. I'll do that tomorrow. I'll go to the shop early and do that, because like the more I look at this car, it really annoys me how high the front is. Let me show you guys. You know, like that, you know. I like that. It looks cool, like, but just know, like look at the back, how it's tucked and everything. I want the front to be the same way. And I need to put the lip on, so I need to go get the lip as well. So tomorrow, when I go get the front lowered, I'll grab the lip, I'll show you the Dakar, and the Dakar's by John, so stop by John. We'll go to the gun shop, because I do want to buy a shotgun or a carbine. I don't know. I guess we'll see what they have. I'm not sure if I'm going to actually buy anything tomorrow, because I do want to buy either the flex fuel kit or the cams for this car. So I just need to see which is best. I'll probably just do the flex fuel kit, because I could put that on myself and then wait for the cams like a couple weeks or so. But yeah, I'll probably do the flex fuel kit. Probably. But anyhow, I'll get back to you guys in the next clip. Alright, well, let's hope this is good enough. And be on our way. Driving in Massachusetts. Everywhere, bunch of traffic. Everybody acts like they don't got anywhere to go. So, yeah. Also, I believe, I need to check, but I believe the traction control is still on. Like, I believe this car has traction control, which is why there's a little bit of deadness in the low end. I just have to see. I have to look under the thingy and see if the that like ASC throttle body is still there, and if it is, then I'll take it off, because I do not want traction control. It's not needed. But yeah. clot, yeah, though. Yeah, go there and go, yeah, all the blood clot, man. What them a call police for? Them can't stop the crime. Get to you want money to spend. People missing out there. Never kill nobody yet. I lie them at tell gunshot and I get brain cell. Police pick out AK shell. When you see cartel, no fuck around and no boasting yourself. And I send you go no doctor fi get well gunshot and your brain cell. Police pick out the AK shell. Tell them no clap me make it cut 6 months. You fi dead for me threaten you fi box me. Chip on your face move you get drops. Them a rushing the talks you do I be love killing it all bad. From him I be no me no gonna fucking not love. From me get into attack we try to put up out with trouble. Drink got line man I drink touch you and make calls on it. They go with the people missing a head. They never kill nobody yet I lie them a tell gunshot and your brain cell. Police pick out the AK shell. When you see cartel, no fuck around and no pussy yourself. Me not send you go no doctor fi get well gunshot and your brain cell. Police pick out the AK shell. Look kind of purple on camera. It's odd. Maybe because I have the vibrant setting on, but yeah, it's weird. Because the seats are black. Granted, dyed black, like seats that have dye are like just a very, 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 very dark purple. Well, black seats that have a dye are very, very purple. And then like when they fade in the sun, you start to see the purple more, but they're black. Hellcat right there, wide body too, 4-door wide body. I don't know the name of the Hellcats, like if that's a Charger or a Challenger, but yeah, it's whichever one is the 4-door and that one's a wide body. Looks pretty cool. Granted, I'm not an American car person, but I'm actually glad to see a lot of people getting into cars because those are like out the box, stupid fast. Granted, I want to know how the people are getting the money to buy like basically $100,000 cars. Like literally everybody has one, but you know, everybody's in their bag, I guess. Another thing. Alright, so for some reason the camera's having like, well, not the camera, the memory card's having some type of issue where it's recording, it's processing the thing too slow, so it's writing too slow. So I need to find or order a higher write speed memory card. The only problem, they're hard to find because a lot of the ones that you buy on Amazon are like fake. So yeah, that's the end of the video right there for now. And then when I get the other memory card, I'm going to try to order one now, or probably go to the camera store tomorrow. Go to the camera store and see if I can find one. If I do, then perfect. Then we'll get some more back roads and driving footage tomorrow or this weekend, whatever. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.